and chapter number 3, properties of natural resources. In that, properties of water. What are the states in which water is found? There are three stages of water: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Solid means ice. Ice is an example of solid. Liquid means liquid state is water, and gaseous state is water vapor. Means water is found in three stages: solid, liquid, gases, water, ice, and water vapors. What inferences will you draw from the pictures alongside? Now see, here more pictures are given. Now see first, here different shape of pots are there, and in every pot water is there, and water do not have their shape. Water do not have its own shape, but it take the shape of the container in which we are filling. Now see here, water take the shape of that container. Water do not have its own shape. Water is taking the shape of that container. See here, different shape of uh, pots are showing. Now see this picture. This is a balloon, and for that balloon small holes are there. Water is filled in that balloon, and water is flowing from these small holes. Now see, water is coming out from these small holes. If we press the balloon, the water is coming forcefully outside. Water is coming. If you press this balloon, water will come forcefully outside. Now observe this picture. Now see, there here three holes are there. 1, 2, 3 holes are there. First hole is very downside, and see, water is flowing from this hole is going like this. Means for this hole, for water is present here. Here is a, for lower hole the pressure is more, that's why this water is coming out forcefully. See, this water is coming out forcefully. And for a last hole, there is pressure is very low. The pressure is very low here, that's why the water is coming out, but not in a coming out in a very slowly. Now you will see from a different holes the place of water, the pressure of water is different. Pressure of water is different. And in this picture, this pot is upside and this pot is downside. Here one tube, with the help of one tube, the water coming from upside, it goes from downside. Means water is flowing from up to down. Water is flowing from up to down. Water occurs in liquid state under ordinary conditions. Water is fluid substance. Water is fluid. Water is fluid. Fluid means it is flow. Water does not have its own shape, but it has a volume. Volume means 1 liter water, 2 liter water. That 1 liter, 2 liter, it is called as a volume. It means a volume. It can pass through small holes or seep through very small gaps or cracks. Now we have seen here water flows from a small holes or very small gaps or a crack. If there is very small gap, water will come from that gap also. On pouring water in an oil glass dish, water does not spread but form small round drops. Why does this happen? On pouring water on a oil, the water will not spray but form small round drops. Why? Now we will see the answer of this in next property. Take a plastic bottle more than half full of water. Make the water level on the bottle. Means you take a water in a bottle and mark the water level. Keep this bottle upright in a freezer to making ice. You just keep that bottle in a freezer section for making ice. Open the freezer after couple of hours and observe. You will see that the water has changes into ice. What we will see? You kept the water in a freezer. After some hours, that water is converted into ice. Note the level of ice. Now you have marked the level of water and now you note the level of ice. You will feel that the ice level is higher than the water level before freeze. Now water level is lower, but when that water forms ice, then that ice level is higher. Why can what can you infer from this? As water freeze into from ice, it expands and its volume increases. Why this will happen? Water expands. That's why the level of uh, ice is increases. Water as water freeze to form ice, it expands and its volume increases on freezing. How much as the increase in a volume of the water? In what properties did it increases? Now see here another experiment is given. Take a bucket of water, drop many different kinds of articles in it. Make separate list of its articles which sink in a water and those that float on it. Now see in this bucket which things are dropped here. Now see, scale is there, rubber band is there, pencil and sharpener. Scale, rubber band, pencil and sharpener are floating on a water. But see, this is a compass you are using in a match. That compass, spoon and eraser are goes downside. Means some objects are floating and some objects are sink in a water. Some objects are floating and some objects are sink in the water. Take some water in a. Why these things are sink? Because why these things are sink in a water? Because the mass of these things is more than water. That's why these things are sink. And why these things are floating? Because the mass of these things is less than water. That's why these things are floating in a water. Take some water in a pot and add a few pieces of ice to it. Observe what will happen. Now take a glass and put some ice cubes in that glass. Did you see the ice floating on water? Yes, ice is floating on water. Why? Ice is lighter than water. Why ice is floating on water? Because ice is lighter than water. When the water freezes to form ice, it becomes lighter than the original liquid. How ice is formed? If we freeze water, then ice will form. On that process, the ice is become lighter than the water. When water freezes, that is when it transfer into the solid state, to its volume increases. Means water is changes to ice, on that time its volume increases. Therefore the density of ice is less than water. That is why the ice is floating on water. Now see here, ice is floating on water. Why? Because the density of water, the interrelation between the volume and mass of a substance. The space occupied by a substance is its volume. The store of matter in a substance is its mass. Density is equal to, this is a formula of density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. The space occupied by a substance means whatever space is there, that is called as a volume, and a storage of a matter of a substance is called as a mass. Mass is measured in grams and volume is in cubic centimeters. Now see, this is a unit. Mass is measured in grams and volume is measured in cubic centimeters. Hence density is equal to mass. Mass we are measuring in grams. Therefore density is equal to gram, means gm, divided by cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter, the short form of cubic centimeter is cc, and a short form of grams is gm. What is our formula of density? Density is equal to mass upon volume. Hence density is equal to mass upon volume, but mass we are measuring in grams. Therefore we are writing gram upon gm upon cc, means gram upon cubic centimeter. Hence gm per cc is a unit of density. Gram per cubic centimeter is a unit of density. What is the unit of density? Gram per cubic centimeter. If the mass of 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram, then what is the density of water? What is the density of water? Think, will the mass of water changes when its state changes during the transformation of liquid water into ice?